for joining. Today, by request, we're going to go over Carini. Really cool riff. Not something you would typically think of on an acoustic, but I actually looked at the tabs and actually watched a couple of the Trey acoustic videos of how he was playing it. So it actually sounds really cool on acoustic. It's actually a pretty cool acoustic song. There's not a lot to it, so it should be pretty quick. We'll go through the chords and the rhythm. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. And let's hop in. Alright, so Carini is basically around an E minor, pretty much the entire way. And that riff starts. Now I will say, when I was looking at the videos, I feel like Trey's playing it somewhere up here, but I couldn't see exactly what he was doing on that part. So going based off the tabs, I think it sounds very good. So I'm barring the 7th fret here, starting on the A string, and I have my ring finger on the 9th fret of the G, and I have my pinky on the 10th of the D. And I'm really only focusing on the A, the D, and the G string here. And it's a down, up, down, up. And then there all we did was move that. Basically now we've got the 9th fret of the G, of the D and the G down there. And same pattern, so down, up, 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 down, up. Like, and you do, for the most part, you just want to hit those, the A, the D, and the G. You don't really want to get the other notes in there. It's not the end of the world if you do, but. So we do that. You want to do that little rake in there. Actually, that's kind of cool with those other chords in there, but we're not going to do that right now. So after you get through that riff here, that's your next step there. So the second time through the riff, you hit your rake again, and then you go straight to this G here, so 3rd fret on the low E string, hit it and then pull off. And that's when Trey's singing. That's what they're playing. That's kind of the verse section, if you will. So it's pull off on that G to open. Then you got an E minor. Then you're going removing your middle finger from that 2nd fret, putting your index finger on the 1st fret of the A string. And then now you've got an open A. Ring stays there the whole time. that's the majority of the song. It's actually really a lot of fun to play. You can mess around with it a lot. I think the only other thing is there's that little build up. I think it's generally handled by Page, but if you're playing by yourself, you can start in your E minor here and you just kind of something like that. So just that E minor shape going all the way down to about your 9th fret. That's Carini. Have fun with that one. Definitely play it with some feeling. Really get in there. It's a pretty gritty tune. A lot of fun to play. Please leave any feedback, comments below. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you again soon.